was a really easy check-in.
Yeah.
We're gonna start boarding.
Let's go.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
Welcome. Watch your head.
Thank you.
Got right up front. Right now we're standing on an island in the middle of the Bay of Kotor called the Lady of the Rocks. It is an artificial island and it was created by...
It's created by old sunken and seized ships that they filled with rocks.
The main structure on the island is a church, an old Catholic church that was built in the mid-15th century.
On July 22nd of 1452, the legend has it that two local fishermen found the symbol of Virgin Mary on one of the original rocks, and that's why it's called Our Lady of the Rocks. Back on the boat. So nice.
Really warm and so blue.
So we just got back from our Bay of Kotor and Blue Cave 3-hour adventure. We booked it through the company Montenegro Submarine and Speedboat Tours. They are phenomenal. I don't even think we showed you where we're staying here in Montenegro. It's super nice. The bathroom's nice. The bedroom is nice. Not a ton of space, but this is our balcony and this is the view. It is so beautiful here. After our tour, we showered up, and this is our last day and night in Kotor. So we're finally gonna go see the Old Town and explore. But right now, we're headed to dinner. We sat out on the dock and had our feet in the water and ate our food. Scenery, 10 out of 10. Food, 6.5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Wasn't that impressed.
No.
But now we're headed to Old Town Kotor. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
He said this is the best scoop of my life, so I'm gonna take his word for it. Oh, okay.
We're literally standing in a park right now, surrounded by cats. There's a station where you can feed them, you can pet them, they're pretty friendly. This is really unique.
So in the little bazaar we were just in, we met this gentleman from Istanbul, and that's where we're going next. So we were talking about that, and he was giving us tips and tricks, and he said Cappadocia is gonna be amazing, and I can't wait. So we just found a little stand with ciders, and I got a mango and lime flavor, and it's absolutely delicious.
I love that. Yesterday we were on top of the mountains getting an overlook of everything, and then today we were on the water getting a different view. It's been a great time here in Kotor, Montenegro. But I think that's it for us, and we're gonna get ready to head to country number 7 tomorrow. Good night.